Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for those of you who knows me, knows that I have a 1-year-old son. And last Christmas, he was given this particular gift, which as a parent, I have to check whether it is age appropriate. So, let's go and unbox my son's Christmas gift, Dinosaur Surprise Egg. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a red egg called Dinosaur Surprise Egg DIY Guest Series, and this was a gift, as I said, to my son, and we can clearly see it's for 6 years and up. Okay, so but it's a red egg with a dinosaur hand sticking out. So we can see some of the sample dinosaurs we can get from this particular toy. Okay, so I imagine this is randomized. So we'll have to check out and see whether this is something he can play with or not. But before we do that, let's have a look at some Heroclix figures that has the name Dinosaur. And for that, I mean devil dinosaurs. So we have here all the devil dinosaurs in Heroclix form. And as you can see, it's quite majestic. Okay, so meaning they are quite large for their size, as should be, because these are T-Rex types of dinosaurs. So I'm not a big fan of devil dinosaur. Honestly, I don't know the entire story behind the character, but doing a quick search, it seems like he is from the alternate dinosaur world together with Moon Boy. Okay, and he's intelligent, almost human-like, but of course with all the benefits of being carnivorous Tyrannosaurus Rex. Okay, so we have 4 devil dinosaurs. We're gonna look at them quickly, and the first one is the Golden Age Devil Dinosaur. I don't have the card for this particular figure, but this is the details of the character Devil Dinosaur and Moon Boy. Mutations, 151 points, 0 range, animal, fallen angels, monster, and past keywords, and has a charge, 9 attack, but the damage is really high with 4 damage, battle fury, and 18 invulnerability. And it increases a little to 10 attack in the middle and then goes down to 8 towards the tail end. Okay, so this is Devil Dinosaur and Moon Boy Golden Age. The next time Devil Dinosaur appeared was during the Spider-Man set. Okay, so this time he is holding a gun, okay, and wearing a jacket, I guess. Okay, so I remember some of Heroclix players says that when you have Devil Dinosaur in your booster, it's obviously a Devil Dinosaur because the weight itself would suggest 100%, okay, that booster contains Devil Dinosaur. And who can blame them? Take a look at this big ass sculpt. So the dial and the rock, and then with the dinosaur on top of the rock. Definitely on its own, it can already suffice for the whole weight of the booster. Okay, so this is the card for that particular Devil Dinosaur. So let's take a look at it. Can I even put it here? Okay, that's fine. Oops. The Devil Dinosaur is set number 54, a super rare, and has the keywords hate, Savage Land, Animal, and Past. So Devil Dinosaur has a trait, Moon Boy hated me. Devil Dinosaur can use sidestep and can't carry. Okay, so Moon Boy again is the gorilla, or rather ape, that usually rides him. He has a special movement, unusual weapons of mass destruction, give Devil Dinosaur a power action. If there are no bystanders tokens placed by him on the map, choose a type of bystanders on this card you haven't chosen this game and place 3 of them within 3 squares and line of fire. So he just is a bystander generator and generates tons of drop bears, rockabilly modoc, and homicide crabs. Okay. The drop bear seems nice with the charged blade claws fangs. And then a special defense power, cliche villainous monologue, Devil Dinosaur can use toughness. When Devil Dinosaur would take damage from an attack, he takes 1 unavoidable damage instead. This can't be countered or ignored. Okay, that is on the first 3 clicks, so that makes him a lot hard actually to get KO'd. Okay, and a special damage power, hairy live bird, not eating skin monsters. Stop. Devil Dinosaur can use Battle Fury. Devil Dinosaur can't be healed above this click for the rest of the game. He is a giant, and these are his combat values. Only 2 movement though for the first 3 clicks, but with a TK, and then he does it himself on the middle and last part of the dial. Okay, so bystanders at the beginning, and then if the bystanders won't suffice, then he will now do it himself. Very, very interesting. And finally, the last 2 Devil Dinosaurs we have is from the Avengers Infinity set, okay, which is the Colossal set. And you can see here we have Devil Dinosaur with Moon Boy and Devil Dinosaur with Moon Girl. Okay, so Moon Girl is one of the smartest person on Earth. Okay, so and I think they can swap minds because of their connection. Okay, so a great sculpt for this particular Devil Dinosaur. I just noticed that this Devil Dinosaur and Moon Boy doesn't have any spots, whereas the Devil Dinosaur and Moon Girl have black spots around it. It might suggest that it's either a paint error, okay, or perhaps it might be a different dinosaur that Moon Boy and Moon Girl is riding on. Okay, or perhaps it's intentional. I don't know. So as I said, I don't know a lot about the character, but I appreciate any great sculpt as I see them. Okay, so let's take a look quickly at their cards. We can see the cards for Devil Dinosaur and Moon Girl. Okay, with the keywords Inhumans pertaining to Moon Girl, Animal Monster Scientist, a Devil Dinosaur, and Lunella Lafayette. Okay, special a trait which is my turn, Devil, free. Turn Devil Dinosaur and Moon Girl to the same click number of a different color. Devil Dinosaur and Moon Girl can be healed above there. So there's a typo here. Starting click number on either dial. So they swap places. Okay, so whoever is taking control at that particular time. Okay, so the first one seems to be the a very Devil Dinosaur dial, and the second half would be more of a Moon Girl dial, with Outwit representing her being a scientist. And a special attack power, spring-loaded boxing glove, range value 5, incapacitate as free, but only to make a range attack. Okay, and the last one is Devil Dinosaur and Moon Boy, set number 16. Fallen Angels, Savage Land, Animal, Brute, Pass keyword. Moon Boy is the trait, free, make a range attack with a range value of 4. an attack value of 9, and a damage value of 1. These values can be replaced or modified. Not so good. Thunder Lizard is a special movement. Charge. Sidestep when Devil Dinosaur and Moon Boy damage 1 or more opposing characters with a close attack. After resolutions, remove an action token from Devil Dinosaur and Moon Boy. That's good. Okay, but low attack values, I don't know how often this would be triggered. So improve movement, characters, helps to some extent, but again, my main problem would be the combat values is a bit low. Okay, that is the another shot of the Devil Dinosaur. Okay, so as I said, we're looking into this toy, red egg, that should contain a red dinosaur. Let's see. The green hand might also suggest it's a green dinosaur. So this is my first time opening this particular toy. I don't know what to expect aside from the ones here in the picture. I don't even know if this is something legit or a local brand, a class A brand or what. But let's go. That's why we're here. We're gonna find out. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Definitely. Oh, it contains not just one, but 3 dinosaurs. Interesting. It contains a dinosaur, a green, a brown, and a pterodactyl dinosaur. It doesn't have any orange or the triceratops. Is it? It's just the green, the black, the green T-Rex. Okay. The black triceratops. I think it's the triceratops. And then the red, another T-Rex, I guess. Interesting. Okay, so we're not gonna spend time to build up these dinosaurs. Okay, clearly it's not fit for my son yet. Okay, because of the small parts that he might swallow. But the egg is something he can play with. So thank you very much for the gift. And thank you very much everyone for watching this video, reaching this part. Like, subscribe, and comment on which dinosaur would you like to see in Heroclix form. Until next time, take care everyone. Bye-bye.